Hello, I am Dr. K. Kimsra from R Classes. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel R Classes. This video tutorial is on multiple choice questions on financial services. This is part 2. Question number 1. Dash is an interest-free loan provided by VCFS without any predetermined repayment schedule. A. Conventional loan. B. Conditional loan. C. Income notes. D. None of these. The correct option is B. Conditional loan. 2. Dash form of loan financing carries lower interest rates initially and increases when the assisted venture units become commercially operational. A. Conventional loan. B. Conditional loan. C. Income notes. D. None. Correct option is A. Conventional loan. 3. Dash are instruments which carry a loan interest rate plus a royalty on sales. A. Income notes. B. Debt instrument. C. Equity instrument. D. None. Correct option is A. Income notes. 4. Dash is a combination of conventional and conditional loans. A. Income notes. B. Debt instrument. C. Equity instrument. D. None. The correct option is A. Income notes. 5. The venture capital process involves post-investment services is also called dash A. Investment nurturing. B. Turnaround financing. C. Seed money. D. None. Here correct option is A. Investment nurturing. 6. Dash nurturing means the continuous and ongoing investment of the VCF through representation in the board of the venture. A. Hands on. B. Hands off. C. Hands holding. D. None. Here correct option is A. Hands on. 7. In dash, nurturing the VCFS play only a passive role in the affairs of the venture. A. Hands on. B. Hands off. C. Hands holding. D. None. Your correct option is B. Hands off. A. Dash is known as promoters buyback. A. Sale of shares to employee. B. Sale of shares to public. C. Sale of shares to friends and relatives. D. None. Your correct option is A. Sale of shares to employees. 9. Dash is a forced exit option results from a failed venture investment. A. Public issue. B. Liquidation. C. OTCI route. D. None. The correct option is B. Liquidation. 10. VCFS can be structured as an investment trust under the Indian Act dash A. 1882, B. 1883, C. 1884, D. 1885. Correct option is A. 1882. 11. Dash partner whose liability is unlimited. A. General. B. Limited. C. Venture. D. None. Correct option is A. General. 12. There are dash VCFS registered with SEBI. A. 157. B. 158. C. 159. D. 160. Correct option is A. 150. 13. IDBI Venture Capital Fund was started in dash A. 1987. B. 1988. C. 1989. D. 1990. Correct option is A. 1987. 14. Dash was set up in 1989. A. Vicos. V. ICICI Venture. C. IDBI BSF. BCF. C. None. So here VECAUS Vicos. 15. The first nationalized bank in India to start a VCF dash A. Canara Bank. B. SBI. C. Bank of India. D. ICICI. Correct option is A. Canara Bank. 16. Dash of the venture capital fund created by government and operated through IDBI. A. TDICI. B. KSIDC. C. ICICI Ventures. D. None. Your correct option is A. TDICI. 17. Dash is the oldest private sector venture fund in India. A. IVML. B. TDICI. C. KSIDC. D. None. Correct option is A. IVML. 18. SIDBI Venture Capital scheme started operation in A. 1992, B. 1993, C. 1994, D. 1995. Correct option is B. 1993. 19. Software Fund as the first dedicated fund for software industry set up in A. 1995, B. 1996, C. 1997, D. 1998. Correct option is C. 1997. 20. Dash is established to provide mezzanine finance to mid-cap companies in knowledge-based sector? A. ICICI IT Fund. B. ICICI Structured Products Fund. C. ICICI Global Opportunity Fund. D. None. Here correct option is B. ICICI Structured Products Fund. 21. The first bank to set up a separate merchant banking division in India. A. Punjab National Bank. B. Standard Chartered Bank. C. National and Green Days Bank. D. National City Bank. Correct option is C. National Green Days Bank. 23. Financial service companies exclude dash. A. Commercial banks. B. Insurance companies. C. Sole proprietorship. D. Crediting agencies. Correct option is C. Sole proprietorship. 23. The first Indian commercial bank to set up a merchant banking division in 1972. A. SBI. B. SBT. C. Bank of India. Correct option is A. SBI. 24. Which of the following is not a fee-based financial service? A. Corporate counseling. B. Lease financing. C. Profit management. D. Issue management. Correct option is B. Lease financing. 25. Which of the following is not a fund-based financial services? A. Credit rating agencies. B. Venture capital. C. Consumer credit. D. Factoring. Correct option is A. Credit rating agencies. 26. All merchant bankers must have minimum net worth of dash. A. 5 crore. B. 1 crore. C. 10 crore. D. 20 crore. Correct option is A. 5 crore. 27. Find out odd one authorization criteria of merchant bankers. A. All business performed. B. Professional competence. C. Capital adequacy. D. Past experience. Here correct option is A. All business performed. 28. Financial intermediaries provide services on the basis of non-fund activities, also called dash. A. Participating activity. B. Fee-based activity. C. Commission-based activity. D. Salary-based activity. The correct option is B. Fee-based activity. 29. Dash covers the entire range of services provided by a merchant banker. A. Project counseling. B. Corporate counseling. C. Credit syndication. D. Market makers. Correct option is B. Corporate counseling. 30. Functions of financial services exclude dash. A. Mobilization of savings. B. Allocation of fund. C. Specialized services. D. Collection of tax. Correct option is D. Collection of tax. So this is all about this video tutorial. I hope that you have liked it, and if you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel R Classes and press the bell button and pass it on to others, those who are needy now and in the future. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of luck.